Good morning and thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, May 15th. Seeing some mostly sunny skies out there finally this morning. First time we've seen this much sunshine in quite a while. Also going to be starting to see temperatures warm up gradually today and into the weekend. Taking a look at our highs from yesterday, did see another chilly day across the region with pretty much all locations reporting temperatures in the mid-60s. Lows this morning also a little bit chilly across the region for this time of year, seeing lows for most spots into the mid-40s with a low of 48 here at Wallops. Did see some sprinkles overnight to last night across the region and yesterday afternoon as well, with many locations picking up around 5/100 of an inch. Areas to our north of Salisbury only really seeing a trace. As of 9 a.m., seeing some temperatures starting to warm up a little bit already, seeing most locations report at or just below 60 degrees under sunny skies. Taking a look at our upper level winds this morning, we are seeing northwesterly winds at the surface running around 8 to 13 knots, and then just above the surface at 1,000 feet, seeing those winds around 25 to 30 knots, all the way up to 9,000 feet before we start to see those winds increase just a little bit, still from the northwest, maxing out at 44 knots at the 25,000 foot level, seeing a freezing level this morning just below 6,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we do have that high pressure finally starting to build more over the southeast United States, and as well as some upper level ridging. That's given us those northwesterly winds, helping to give us some drier air, and which is contributing to our mostly sunny skies this morning. We'll continue to see mostly sunny skies throughout the day today, and then we're going to get that front that's currently over the Great Lakes region. That's going to be kind of dipping down a little bit as we go towards tonight, with a little bit of a disturbance ahead of it. That's going to help to increase the cloud cover as we go towards the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow and into tomorrow morning. Can't rule out a slight chance of a sprinkle with that disturbance, mainly before noon tomorrow, but looks like for the most part going to be remaining dry tomorrow with another seasonable day, just a little bit more cloud cover compared to what we are seeing today. Taking a look at our surface map, you see we have northwesterly winds only running around 7 to 12 knots or so across the region. Temperatures fairly uniform as well, staying in the mid to upper 50s, and we'll see those temperatures rise up to near 70 degrees today here at Wallops. Taking a look at our forecast chart, high pressure will be dominant throughout the day today and as we go into this evening as well. There you can see that front starting to drop down as we go into tonight, as well as with a weak shortwave ahead of it. That'll help to increase cloud cover as we go towards later in the day, starting with the mid and upper levels, and then as we go towards tomorrow morning, we'll see some more clouds in the lower levels between about 5 to 8,000 feet start to increase across the region, as well as can't rule out a slight chance of a sprinkle, but it does look like it's that disturbance is going to fizzle out as it approaches the Wallops area, and so it should remain dry with just a very slight chance of a sprinkle tomorrow morning. It is going to be we're still going to be seeing that high pressure in control though, with those westerly winds, and that's going to help to give us another warm day. Temperatures in the mid 70s for our Thursday afternoon, as that main boundary remains well north of the Wallops region. As we go into Friday, going to be another warm day. We're still going to have that boundary north of the region, but we are going to get some more warm air advection moving into the area, possibly even a little bit of compressional heating across the area with those southwesterly winds, and that's going to give us a temperature into the low 80s. So expect a very warm and nice day on Friday under partly to mostly cloudy skies, and then can't rule out a slight chance of a isolated shower as we go into Friday night, but otherwise looks to remain dry for the next several days and into the weekend. Taking a look at our forecast, going to be seeing a very pleasant high of 70 degrees today, and then going into tonight seeing a little bit more of a mild low than we have been seeing, with a low of 58 degrees. Northwesterly winds will increase just a little bit as we go towards the afternoon at 18 to 13 knots with slightly higher gusts, and then they will shift westerly then southwesterly after sunset, around 5 to 10 knots overnight before becoming west-southwesterly at 6 to 11 knots by the mid-morning hours of Thursday. Taking a look at the sky forecast for today, going to continue to see just a few clouds at 3,500 feet this morning. Then as we go towards the afternoon, possibly seeing just a few cirrus clouds moving to the area, so remaining mostly sunny throughout the day today. After sunset, going to start to see some mid to upper level clouds slowly increase throughout the overnight hours, and then after midnight, seeing clouds between about 5 to 8,000 feet start to increase as well, becoming mostly cloudy by mid-morning Thursday, with a few clouds of 5,000 scattered to broken at 8, and broken mid-level deck at 12,000 feet as well. Still seeing some higher tides out there, not quite as high as they've been the past couple days, with tides still about 1 foot above normal. For tomorrow, going to be a mostly cloudy day, and like I said, we can't rule out that slight chance of an isolated shower, mainly before noon, but it's going to be a little bit warmer as we have a persistent westerly flow, and we'll still get some sunshine tomorrow, looking for a high of 76. Thursday night, going to be partly to perhaps mostly cloudy with another mild low of 59. Then Friday we'll start to really get a warm-up going with temperatures going about 10 degrees above average, looking at a partly to mostly cloudy day, high of 83 with that good southwesterly flow. Very slight chance of an isolated shower late. I think the best chance of any possible isolated to scattered shower activity won't happen until Friday night, but then things will clear out for the weekend. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, as you can see, we're going to start to get that gradual warm-up the next couple days with 70 today and 76 tomorrow. Then we're going to start to see a little bit of taste of summer as we go towards the weekend, and especially as we go towards the middle of next week. Seeing temperature of 83 on Friday, that slight chance of some scattered showers Friday night. And then Saturday and Sunday, it looks like we're going to have a little bit of a ridge building to the east of the area, and a little bit cooler on Saturday compared to Friday and Sunday, as we're going to have a weak backdoor cold front kind of just barely skirting the area. That'll help to drop down those temperatures as they turn a little bit more onshore briefly Saturday. Not going to be enough to really increase the cloud cover too much or drop those temperatures significantly, and we will be seeing much warmer temperatures on Saturday in the inland areas of the Delmarva. On Sunday, those winds do look like they're going to turn back southerly as that boundary moves well north of the area, and we start to get that ridge increasing a bit. So that's going to move our temperatures into the mid-80s for Sunday in a partly cloudy sky. It should be a very good beach day. Also seeing some moisture increase across the area that'll help to make those lows much more mild. Only seeing lows into the mid-60s this weekend, and then that warm-up is going to continue as we go into the into next week, getting a really first good taste of summer as that Bermuda high starts to build up. And it does look like, other than a slight chance of some scattered showers Monday night, we are going to be entering a bit of a dry period with warm temperatures as well. Temperatures look to be into the lower to mid-80s in the beginning of next week, with those very mild lows in the upper 60s, and then we could possibly be seeing temperatures in the upper 80s as we go towards the middle to late next week. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back at 8:15 a.m. tomorrow and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.